CoinCatch is your gateway to powerful derivatives trading worldwide. What better than to use Tealstreet for an even sharper trading edge? First, log into your CoinCatch account and navigate to your API management page. Click on Create New API. Then, type in any notes you may have, as well as your passphrase. And make sure you tick Trade Permission Settings. On Tealstreet, head to Settings and pick CoinCatch from the Exchange drop-down list. Then, click on the list of the whitelisted IPs and paste them back in the CoinCatch link IP address text box. Click Next. And copy both your API key and your secret key and paste them back in Tealstreet accordingly. Type in the CoinCatch passphrase you set for your API. Click Add. And now you're all set and ready to start trading with Tealstreet. If you enjoy using Tealstreet and would like to help support ongoing development, please consider using one of our exchange referral links.